Alright, what to do. Maybe I should use a noisemaker? Yeah. Okay. Now, I'll use a flashbang. Bingo. What the hell is that? Oh shit! Oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck! Fuck out of here. I think I lost it. Oh shit, that was fucking close. Wait, safe station. Thank God. Alright. Wait. Let me clear my browsing history! Crap. The hell is it? Is it down here? Maybe I should get out while I still can. Yeah. Might be a good idea. Shit. Oh fuck! No, not fucking bullshit! Thank God I got all that mess. Alright. What the hell? Yeet! That's taking care. Now. Oh fucking bullshit! Man, I'm freezing my ass off in here. Would it kill it to have some heat in here? Oh, shit. Oh, that's not good. Oh, that's not good either. Okay, I think that's the last. Oh, fucking come on! Alright, Blue. Wait, I'm out of ammo? Oh, come on, that never fucking happens! Alright. Few ammo left. Well, that did a trick. Huh. He just died on his own.
Maybe one of these things had a key card.
Yeah, key card. Yeah, that guy conveniently had it. Hey, it worked. Well, just to be safe, I guess I should turn that off. But I need to make sure I didn't miss anything. Alright, got that. Yeah. Better make sure I turn that off before I leave. The ship is already falling apart. There we go. Ah, damn, it's cold in here again. Huh. Oh, Jesus. That explosion was bigger than I thought. Fucked up your chin a little bit. Huh. Wait, there's one more? Listen, pal. I just got this gun and all, and you're getting very close. Charge up! Yeah! Thank God for lag. Fuck off, you shit! Alright. God damn it! Damn, get the hell out of here. Wait, is that the floating gun? Fuck the floating gun, I need to get the hell out of here first. Oh, damn it. Should have got the floating gun. Alright. Fuck off! Not this time, you little shit! Thank God. Whew. Man. Thank God I lost it. Wait a minute, what the hell? For the last time! 6 feet apart, you ugly son of a bitch! Guess I scared it off. Phew. Damn it. Can't use the bathroom in this place. Ah, fuck you! Yeah, you got that racist son of a bitch. Black lives matter! Damn it, this thing giving a rest already. Try something else. I'll use stealth this time. Yeah, like in Solid Snake or something. Yeah, I'm Snake. Wait, now. I need a cardboard box. My Snake impression sucks. Okay, I think I lost him. Ah, god damn it! You gotta fucking kill it! Dumbass. Alright, the exit should be around here somewhere. Oh, come on, kill him first! He's right over there! Thank God that's over with. Now I can probably proceed now. And nothing will stand in my way. Alright, that's it. No more Mr. Nice Guy, you ugly son of a bitch. Die! Die! Alright, Blue Rose? Yeah, that's right, you little son of a bitch! Alright, now I'm gonna pull the lever and... cut off the power. Fuck. The last time, you ugly son of a bitch. Fuck off! Alright, we will wreck! Jackpot. Yes. God damn it! Alright, sneaking time. Ugh. Cover your mouth, you fucking... One down. Yeah. Alright. One more to go. Fuck.
Damn it. Can't get past the lock.
Alright. Well, it's a Solid Snake now. You would say.
Apollo won't let me in.
Where's... Holy shit! Oh my god. Yeah. Punch. Alright. And... Oh, come on! I fucking should've got him! Shit. Alright, I need to get closer. Fuck it. I'm gonna wing it. Yep. You didn't expect that, huh, you little shit? Alright. Fuck. Finally. No aliens, no bad guys. I think everything will be a-okay. Now, what the hell? Alright, I give up. Fuck this game.
We're gonna die here. You know that, right?